Yo, Brandon here from 404 Smoke Shop. Don't forget we got the RAW hats, 404 Smoke Shop. So we got a couple of these from RAW. The packaging is cool. It's got like embossed raw natural rolling paper. It's pretty cool. Kind of gives you the impression of like a good hookah box or a very good tennis shoe box, sneaker box. Authenticity is in the house. Check this out. Kind of like a sackcloth type, which is really a dope feature, you know, for authenticity. Only thing it doesn't have is the footies, the feet. Here you go. Boom. All right, this has been B, RAW, Natural Papers, 404smokeshop.com. Peace.